Morning dear students. Today we are going to learn class 10 maths chapter number 5 AP means arithmetic progressions. Exercise 5.3 question number 2. Find the sums given below. Okay, we have to find out sum. First number 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus up to 84. Okay, before starting question number 2, we have to discuss about question number 1. What is the difference between question number 1 and 2? In the first question, we have to find out sums as well as we have to find out in question number 2. Okay. So what is the difference? In question number 1, number of terms is given, but in question number 2, number of terms is not given. We have to find out sum. 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 up to 84. So here first and last term is given. Number of terms is not given. For finding sum, we have to require 3 terms. Okay, first is A, first term, second common difference, B, and third one is number of terms. So here number of terms is not given, but in question number 1, number of terms is given. So here first of all we have to find out number of terms from given AP. So how to find number of terms? So we have to use the formula of n. Okay, now see here A is equals to 7, D is equals to A2 minus 7 is given by 10 and a half minus 7. So it gives 10 to the 20 plus 1, 20, 1 by 2 minus 7 is equals to, take LCM will be 2. So 2 7s are 14, 21 minus 14, 7, so 7 by 2, and AN is equals to 84. It gives last term. Okay. Now we have to use the formula of A, number of terms. Okay. We know that AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here last one is given 84. So 84 is equals to, first one is 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Therefore 84 minus 7 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Therefore 84 minus 7, so 84 minus 4, 80 minus 3, 77. So 77 into, now we have to shift the 7 by 2 on capital Z, it will be 2 by 7. Okay, the reciprocal of 7 by 2 will be 2 by 7 is equals to n minus 1. Therefore 11 7s are 77, 11 2s are 22 is equals to n minus 1. Therefore n is equals to 22 plus 1 gives 23. Now we have to use the formula of Sn. Okay, so also we know that Sn is equals to n by 2 bracket A plus L, because last one is given. N is also denoted by L. Okay, so now n by 2, so n is equals to 23. So 23 divided by 2 bracket 7 plus L. Last one is 84. Okay, so 7 plus 84 is equals to 23 into 84 plus 7. So 84 plus 6, 90, 90 plus 1, 91 divided by 2. Now we have to multiply 21 into 91. Okay, so 21 into 91, 21 into 91, so 23 into 91 gives 2, 3 ones are 3, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 2 ones are 2. So it gives 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, so 2, 2093. So 2093 divided by 2. So Sn, so it gives S23. Because number of terms is 23, so it gives S23. Okay, next question number 2. 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10. So same thing. First of all, we have to find out number of terms, and then we have to find out sum. So here A is equal to 34. First one is given. B is equal to A2 minus A1, so it gives 32 minus 34 for the last term. Now we have to use formula of n. Okay, so we know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here last term is given 10, so we have to put the value of n. Is 10 is equals to a, first term is 34, so write down 34 plus n minus 1 is this, because we have to find out number of terms. So n minus 1 bracket minus 1, n minus 1 bracket minus 2, so it's not minus 1, the value of b is minus 2. Now simplify, so therefore 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 minus 2. Therefore minus 24 divided by minus 2 equal to n minus 1. Therefore 12 equal to n minus 1, because 2 12 are 24 minus 1 cancel out. Therefore n equal to 12 plus 1. Therefore n equal to 13. So here 13 terms are present. Okay, start 34 and last one is 10. In between 11 terms. In between 10 and 32, 11 terms, the total number of terms is 13. Next, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus n. Therefore, Sn is equal to 13 by 2 bracket. The value of a is 34 and the value of a is 10. So 34 plus 10. 34 plus 10. So it gives 13 into 34 plus 10, 44 divided by 2. So 13 into 22 11s are. Yes or no? 22 11s are 44. Now 13 into 22. It gives, so first of all we have to find out 13 into 11. So it gives 143 multiplied by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So our answer is 286. Is it clear? Next question number 3. Here AB is minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 up to minus 230. So here A is equals to minus 5, B is equals to A2 minus 11. So second term is minus 8 and first term is minus 5. So our answer is minus 8 plus 5 is equals to minus 3. And AN is equals to minus 230. Okay, it is also known as last term L. Now we have to use formula of n and find the value of n. Okay, so we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore minus 230, because last one is given minus 230 is equal to first one is minus 5. So minus 5 plus n minus 1 is this, because we have to find out number of terms, means n, and the value of d is minus 3. Therefore minus 230 plus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Therefore minus 225. Yes or no? Because minus 230 plus 5. So we have to subtract 5 from 230. So it gives minus 225 divided by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. Therefore, now we have to divide 225 divided by 3. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. So it is divisible by 3. So 3 7s are 21, 1 3 5 are 50. So 75 equal to n minus 1. And minus minus cancel out. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 75 plus 1. Therefore, n equal to 76. So number of terms are 76. Okay, because we start from minus 5 and last one is minus 230. So in between there are many terms. Okay, 74 terms. Next, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus n is equal to number of terms is 76. So 76 by 2 bracket a is minus 5 minus 230 is equals to, now 76 by 2 we have to divide, so answer is 2 3s are 6, 1 2 8s are 16, in bracket minus 235. Yes or no? Because 230 plus 5 minus minus plus 230 plus 5 will be 235, and the sign of equal is negative, so answer is minus 235. So our final answer is 235 into 38. So we have to multiply. So 235 multiply by 38. So here 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 8 5s are 35, sorry 40, 0, 84, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28, so 82, 8 2s are 16 plus 2